Kurumjari, Namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very specific topic which a lot of you must also be thinking. Why, when people leave their hometown either for a job or studies, end up starting a YouTube channel? I mean, what are the thoughts that comes to our mind and we think of starting a YouTube channel? Ever notice how many of us after leaving our hometown starts a YouTube channel? So a lot of question arises like, is it boredom, homesickness? For me personally, it is not just about vlogging, it is about growth, expression and connection. Moving to a new city is exciting at the first place. New city, new people, new experience. But sooner or later, the reality sets in and obviously missing the comfort of home. So staying away from family creates a void, like you start missing your mom's cooking, then no familiar faces, no shared laughter after a long work day. So this particular emotional gap gives people a chance to explore into their creativity. And this creative outlet leads to the creation of YouTube channels. For many, YouTube not only becomes more than a platform, it becomes a diary, a friend, a space to express thoughts. For example, some people share cooking videos and then sometimes they share it's my grandmother's recipe or my mom's recipe. Some vlog about their exploration of the new city or the cities nearby. Some talk about life lessons that they have learned. Beyond connection, YouTube helps us leave a digital footprint. In the last video also I've talked about digital footprint, and yeah, it helps us to explore new opportunities and it improves our communication skills too. Living alone sometimes makes you feel like you are living your life on an autopilot. Eat, work, sleep, repeat. Yeah, so when we start creating a YouTube channel, we find a lot of purpose. This sense of purpose keeps us motivated and we end up becoming more imaginative, more creative. Creating content brings a sense of purpose. It becomes a form of therapy, a place to talk, a place to connect, a place to express and being heard. Every video is not just a story, it's a reminder that I'm still me in a new city. And then there's this magic of community. People who once felt alone now share their journey with hundreds or thousands, and for some people with lakhs and lakhs of people. Viewers connect, respond, and relate. It feels like finding friends who understands but you have never met. So if you are living away from your home, missing the warmth of your family, missing the warmth of your familiar faces and places, so maybe it's time for you to tell your story too. Start small, speak from your heart, not for the views, not for the numbers, but for yourself, to remember where you come from and to discover what you are becoming.